What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to put Google as your default browser on Edge and how to make it as your default browser when you hit a new tab and want to search in the address bar. If you also want to see how to do this in a Chrome browser, just click the banner that's popping up in the top right corner. First, you want to open up Microsoft Edge. You then want to come up to the options menu here, which is the three dots. You want to come down to settings, and now to make it as your default browser, we want to go to on startup. Instead of open a new tab, we want to hit open a specific page or pages. Then we want to hit add new page, and then here is where you want to type in google.com. You can hit enter on your keyboard, or you can hit this add button. And as you can see, it will say google.com added. This means it has been added as your default browser. Now, if you want to have it so that when you type in the address bar, it searches through Google, you want to come down to privacy, search and services. Then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. The very bottom one in services is going to be address bar and search. You want to click that, and then it should be Bing as a recommended default. All we're going to do is click this, and then we're going to come down and click Google. Now, when you go to search in the address bar, it'll automatically search on Google, and if we close this down, as soon as we open up Microsoft Edge, it automatically opens on Google instead of their default website. And there you go, that's how you get Google as your default browser on Microsoft Edge. Now if you liked the video and you want to help out the channel, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. If you have a little look at my channel, there's a lot of other how-to videos that may just help out you. Thank you for watching, I'll see you later.